Today we got some long curtains. We're gonna replace our old curtains. Look at that, we have tape. Now I bought these a while back, and they were the double-sided tape that you just pretty much put in the double-sided tape, and then also Velcro. But they're too heavy. It's a no good buy. If you guys see them, for one single door lighter material would have been better. This is too heavy for this thing, so we're gonna replace it with this long one, custom made. We're gonna put it up today and see what you guys think about. All right, guys, so when you guys get the package, look, they give you everything in here that you're going to require, especially the little corners, if you guys can see it, and it goes all the way down. It's well packed, ready to go. We're going to set it up right now and see what you guys think about. All right, guys, so I finally finished it, and I did put the hook in here. Now, I should have moved this a little bit more to the right, but I didn't. Lining it up was not that hard. It is popping out. I could easily take it off and twist it the other, but I like it this way. I like it to, it's kind of smooth out. And of course, you know, I got plenty of clearance. I got some more actually on the top. I just haven't. This is perfect for the daytime, how it's going to pass the light in here. Right now it's nighttime, so you're not going to see any of the light. But look, custom made size, guys. They did call me to verify it. It's working. I don't need a center to hold it. It's basically, these are super strong, the corners. So make sure you do the corners right, and you shouldn't have a problem. So like how it looks. Let's check it out in the daytime. So let's take a look at it in the daytime. All right, so guys, this is the shade. Look at the sun. It's lighting up the whole place here. So it's nice and neat. It blocks out your neighbors. It keeps the sun from actually being too powerful in here. So not that bad. All right, look at the shades. Look at the sun it's hitting. It's real nice. I'm working right here in front of the computer, and I like this. Nice and bright in this room now because of the sun. So before I had these dark sheets here, very dark. I like this one. It's bringing all the light in. Easy to control up and down. All right, going up and down, bringing very easy to set them up. You're gonna need some help on two ends, especially on an angle like this, and then size like this too. So no middle support. It's pretty strong enough, you know. So it's strong edges, actually. That's what it is. You could add a motorized motor. This one has actually, if I can zoom in a little bit more, it has actually all the teeth in there, so it could add a motorized motor if you want to. That's in the future. If you ever want something where you're remote control, you can do that. They actually have it available with the same vendor. Easy to, and then recommend it. Make sure you guys set this up too, so it won't run, you know. And then you could lift up, bring it down. You could move it a little bit less, like I did, you know, maybe less to the edge. Not that bad. You like I said, you're gonna need assistance setting this up. Very nice and neat. Good material, like a little plastic, kind of see through. You could see like a ghost figure kind of thing. But other than that, really good. Recommend you guys check it out. You're not sure about the measurements? Have somebody help you out.